Okay, good day class. So this will be our last part topic for our physics before our final exam that would be around 18-19. But the scheduled date regarding the exam for your section will be decided by you guys. So the topic is about heat and temperature. So the concept of temperature may seem familiar to you, but many people confuse temperature with heat. Okay, the temperature is the measure of how hot or cold an object is relative to another object. It is what you call your thermal energy content, whereas heat is the flow of thermal energy between two objects with different temperature. When we touch a hot object, energy flows from the hot object to our cold fingers, and we receive the incoming energy of the object as being hot. Conversely, when we hold an ice cube in our palm, the energy from our hand transfers into the ice cube, and we receive that the loss of energy as cold. In both cases, the temperature are both different from the temperature of our hand, so we can conclude that different temperatures are the ultimate cause of heat transfers. Next is you have temperature scales. To make it short, you have three temperature scales, which is your Fahrenheit, Celsius, and Kelvin. These are temperatures and measures the average amount of energy of motion or your kinetic energy. Okay, then you have thermometers, measures temperature by using material that expands upon contact when heated or cooled. So, ang common na ginagamit sa ating thermometer is what you call your mercury or alcohol thermometers. For example, sa reservoirs of water, then expand kung kung exposed sa heat, then shrink kung contracted sa cold. Have here example. So for your thermometers, your Fahrenheit, you have your Celsius, and also your Kelvin. Okay, so different, for example, if you have 100 degrees Celsius here, it can be, if Fahrenheit naman yung kaya conversion, it is 212 Fahrenheit. Then, if into Kelvin naman siya, you have your 373 Kelvin. Okay. Okay, so this is already self-explanatory below. So, mas dasi kita ng discussion. Let's go next sa aton nga solving or sa aton nga conversion. Okay, so first formula that we'll be using is if you will be converting Fahrenheit ka sa Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, paano balag kung ano gamitin mga formula or paano mo siya nga pang convert. Okay. If you're given Fahrenheit, okay, therefore the only thing you can do is convert it into Celsius or Kelvin. Okay, kaya din mo Fahrenheit F sa formula ni. Therefore, you will be using that value. So the formula for your Celsius is Fahrenheit minus 32 times 1 divided by 1.8 Fahrenheit. Okay. So, for example, bilisan nila umara. Okay, for your Fahrenheit naman yung class to find for your Fahrenheit. Okay, you are given Celsius times 1.8 plus 32 lang day yun. That is the formula for your Fahrenheit and your Celsius. Okay, so example for your Celsius. Okay. If you are given 98.6 Fahrenheit, okay, minus 32 mo, that would be 66.6. Okay, then i-divide mo lang sa 1.8, then the answer is 37 degree Celsius. That is very easy lang. Okay. Next is for your Fahrenheit naman yung class. If you're given Celsius, okay, the Celsius that is given is 25 degrees Celsius. Times mo lang sa 1.8, then plus 32. So 25 times 1.8 is 45 Fahrenheit. Then plus 32, that would be 77.0 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. Another add-on notes ko lang para masapusin yung mag sa ulo. Okay. If you're given a Fahrenheit na value, then ipa-convert mo sa Celsius, ibig sabihin, ipanubon mo na iya nga value since usual mga value for Celsius is much lower than your Fahrenheit. So, Fahrenheit minus ang 32, then i-divide sa 1.8. And then for your Celsius to Fahrenheit naman yung class, okay, vice versa. So, padok-on mo ang imong nga Celsius nga value. So, sa mga formula for Celsius is ang given nga Celsius times mo sa 1.8, then i-plusan mo lang 22. Okay? Simple as that. Okay. Ang reason behind nga may 1.8 kag 1, okay, it serves as your conversion factor. So, pwede mo makancel ang mga Celsius sa dalom, Celsius sa babaw, leaving you the unit of your Fahrenheit. Okay. Save man didre. Okay, this is a whole number, so minus 1 mag Fahrenheit ka na. Then, kung i-divide mo na siya sa 1.8 ka Fahrenheit, makancel atong Fahrenheit na unit. Duwa, then bilin ang Celsius sa babaw. So, that's the reason behind. Now, for your Kelvin naman yung class. Okay, for your Kelvin, okay, it is very simple lang. Okay, the formula for Kelvin is Celsius plus 273.15. Okay, so, tandaan nyo lang ang constant nga value. Okay. Ang imong Fahrenheit, there is no solution for Fahrenheit to Kelvin, but ang imong Fahrenheit danay is paagyon mo into Celsius, then ang Celsius mo plusan mo sa 273.15, and that would be your Kelvin na nga value. Okay, so you have your examples for your Kelvin. Okay, for example, if you're given 72.0 degrees Fahrenheit, convert it in degrees Celsius and degrees Kelvin. Yung mga ginawa ng Celsius. So, from 72 degrees Fahrenheit minus 32, that would be 40 degrees Fahrenheit. So, kayo divide mo siya sa 1.8. Okay, then you will get the Celsius na value, which is 222.2 degrees Celsius. Okay, so kinakuha mo na yung mga degrees Celsius, to convert into Kelvin, adan mo lang siya 273.15. Okay, then that is your final answer sa iyong Kelvin. Mo lang nakahapos. Next is ang three important figures in regard sa ating temperatures. Okay, you have first Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. He is a German instrument maker, pioneer of extract thermometry. He helped lay the foundation of the era of precision and thermometry by inventing the mercury in glass thermometers. He widely used ang sa unang panahon, practical accurate thermometers and Fahrenheit scales for standardized temperature scale to be widely used. So you have Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. Okay, next is Anders Celsius. He is a Swedish astronomer, physicist, and mathematician. He developed the Celsius temperature scale. So it's very obvious man sila mga last name. Next are Leslie. You have William Thomson First Baron Kelvin. Okay, so other young name is Lord Kelvin. Okay, this is a British mathematical physicist and engineer born in Belfast. Absolute temperatures are standard units of Kelvin in his honor, while uh, while the existence of a lower limit of the temperature, that is your absolute zero, was known prior to his work, Kelvin is known for determining its correct value as approximately negative 273.15 degrees Celsius. Okay, so this is the absolute nga zero nga temperature. So that would be all so regarding sa atong temperature. Sa atong heat transfer, hindi na pagdugan sa atong finals since kulang na kita sa time. Okay, so I'll be sending this today man so that you can start now para magtuon. Okay, so that would be all, guys. Thank you and stay safe always.